is very easy to Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujalam Sukhalam Malayaj Sheetalam Sasya Syamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita
Good morning, ma'am.
Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini
Of letting go
Mataram Vande Mataram
is so much brighter when we focus on what truly means.
Varshita, you are in mute.
Vande Mataram Vande Mataram
Did Anurag come? Is Anurag coming, ma? Yesterday did he come?
No, ma'am.
Not coming since 3-4 days, right?
Yes, ma'am, is not coming. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah, thought for the day, please.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Sita.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Sita.
One by one.
Ma'am, let today be the day you learn to. Let today be the day you learn the grace of letting go and the power of moving on.
Bineshri, can you say?
Ma'am,
can I tell?
Ma'am, I can tell, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can I say?
One by one, I said.
Can I tell?
Ma'am, it is easy to
kindness.
defend someone, but it is hard to judge someone.
What, Sharvit?
Tomorrow.
Can you repeat once again?
Yes, ma'am. It is very easy to difficult someone, but it is very hard to greet someone.
Read.
That only, ma'am.
Can I say?
Hey, ma'am, Vaishnavi.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Santosh. Ma'am, the two hardest things to handle in life are failure and success.
Can you repeat?
Yes, ma'am. The two hardest things to handle in life are failure and success.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Capacity to
Ma'am, can I
translate
say?
vision
Can I
into
say?
reality, ma'am.
What?
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality.
Into reality. Very nice.
Ma'am, can I say? Can I tell?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
God helps those who help themselves.
Okay.
Ma'am, do what is right, not what is easy.
You have never.
Ma'am, which book, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I say? Manas, when you do better.
What?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am, Manas? When you do better.
Your voice is not clear. Whoever is talking.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am? I will tell. If you want something you never had, you need to do something you never did. Okay, ma'am, can
Karthik,
I,
can
ma'am?
you repeat? Karthik, repeat.
Ma'am, which book, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. If you want something you never had, you need to do something you have never did.
Enough. Enough. Tomorrow, next
Ma'am,
time.
can
Those who didn't get chance today, I will give chance. Those who didn't get chance today, next class I will give. Please listen to me. We can't go on with the thought for the day. We need to start the class, isn't it? Okay, open textbooks. I started that healthy gift, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. We started Jaldi's gift.
Yes, it's a story of street dogs. A wonderful story of street dogs. Very, very interesting. One second, I'll share.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Who is this?
Ma'am, this is Shanvi, ma'am. Can you hear me?
But it is not clear.
Ma'am, so your network is low.
Mm. Yeah, yesterday I made few calls for parent teacher meeting. Today again after my afternoon classes, call few people. Please be ready and pick up the phones.
Yes, ma'am, your screen gone, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll share 1 second. Today also Anurag didn't come, and who else? Sharwani.
Ma'am. Charvit is not coming from many days.
I know that. I know why she's not coming. So Sharwani and Anurag.
Ma'am, even Lasya.
Asa is there.
Ma'am, Charvit.
Hmm?
Charvit.
Charvit is there. He told us not for the day also. I hope you can see the textbook, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I've shown you the sacks. Piled sacks means what is pile? It is a
Ma'am, like
which type of noun? Pile?
ma'am, forming like a mountain, ma'am.
Yeah, if you put all the sacks together.
Ma'am, collective noun, ma'am.
Yeah, collective noun. So if you put all the sacks in a very disorganized manner, so that it can form a roughly kind of small hill kind of thing, it is called a pile of sacks. So he rolled down. I rolled down. He is talking from the point of one of the street dog. Okay, the dog is talking. The narrator is explaining the lesson from the dog's point of view. So I rolled down the piled sacks faster and faster till I landed in the soft nest of husk beneath. Soft nest of husk. What is husk? Dry outer covering of some fruits and seeds. I already explained. So what is husk? The outer covering of some of the fruits and seeds forms the soft husk. So it rolled down from the pile of sacks and onto the soft nest of husk. How the dust from the husk flew up my nose. So if something very heavy things fall on a husk, what will happen? The small dust kind of thing, it comes out, isn't it? In a form of smoke, in a form of
Yes, ma'am.
yes. And it went inside the nose of the dog and it tickled. So sometimes if we inhale the air, Satvik, what happened to you? Headache, huh?
No, ma'am.
Then why are you holding your head? So it went inside the nose and it tickled. What is tickled? Slight irritation kind of thing inside the nose. Okay. I shuddered from the nose to tail tip as I shook with one tremendous sneeze. Imagine a dog falling into a pile of dust. What is the next thing which happens? The smoke emerges, it goes into the eyes, it goes into the nose, and suddenly it starts shaking. The whole body will shake and it will sneeze. This is what the natural thing which will happen. Are you imagining? Are you able to imagine?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything when I opened my eyes, the dog opened the eyes. I looked straight into the eyes of our important visitor. Who is visitor? Who?
Ma'am,
Who, ma'am, who visits the place? Ma'am, who visits the place?
Visits us.
Ma'am, who visits the places?
See, all of you listen to me. All of you listen to me. One clear instruction. When I ask a question, somebody answers. One answer is enough. Okay, if one answers, everybody will listen, right? If you keep on repeating, we are wasting time. And if 10 people tell the same answer also, it's a waste of time. Are you understanding the logic? Okay, I asked the question because to keep you attentive. Are you listening or not? To just test. Okay, what Varshita, why are you asking remote control?
Ma'am, I didn't know.
I got a control from you. So I shuddered. Shuddered means he shook. The dog's body, the entire dog's body shook with a tremendous sneeze. What do you mean by tremendous? Not the ordinary sneeze. Very, very intense sneeze. He looked into the visitor who came to visit them, or whom he may be. Father was there too, though it was so early. So something different happened. There are siblings, some group of siblings dogs, okay, brother and all that, and they have a father and a mother. And when he sees, there are two people he sees. First thing is in a visitor and an important person, some unknown person he sees. Person means again dog is not person, okay. So he sees a important new person. And one more thing is he sees his father. He comes very early. Suppose every day your father comes around 9:30 from the work. You suddenly come back from the play and you see him around 6:30 at home. Do you feel little bit surprised or not? Yes, right.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be surprised.
Yeah, similarly,
Yes, ma'am.
the dog is also surprised that how come the father is so early. Then father gave him an encouraging look. What do you mean by encouraging? For example, you are going to participate in some competition or something. You like before starting the competition or before participating, you just see your parents. For what? Suppose the parents came to your school and they are seeing how you are doing maybe some running race or something. So if you see your dad or mom, then what do? They say, come on, all the best you can do. They give that some confidence or encouraging type of look. Don't speak anything. Are you understanding what you mean by encouraging look? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Confidence kind of look. So mother is always telling us to mind our manners. So what does the common thing our mothers, even my mother, your mother, they do? Sit properly. If somebody comes, greet them. All the important manners, good manners, they will be telling. Mothers always telling us to mind our manners, and I have felt sad at having disgraced her. Why do you think so? He disgraced. What do you mean by disgrace? He put her on the shame. See, some visitor comes. Imagine you're around 5:36. You come back to home, and there are some visitors at your place. Your mother, father, some relatives, everybody is sitting. What you do? You play and you get all your dress completely shabby. Okay, and you enter the house. How do you feel? How does your mother feel?
Mama, ugly.
No, she'll see, what is this? Why did you come in like this? She will give that look, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you
Yes,
put her
ma'am.
you put her in the shame because your dress is very shabby. You look very, very ugly. Okay, same thing. a visitor has come and he rolled down into the pile. He sneezed. He did so many things that he thought that he put his mother in shame. She might have felt bad. Why are you doing all this in front of an important visitor? Tumbling like that before our important visitor. What do you mean by tumbling? Falling from a higher place. Okay, he stumbled, he rolled, isn't it? So before the important visitor, he did all things. So he felt very, very ashamed. There was no help for it. However, I made my best to go. So what did the mother teach him? So if some visitor comes, what do? Hi, uncle. Suppose any uncle or aunt comes. What do you do when you come and you see them?
We greet ma'am.
Yeah, how do you greet them?
Ma'am, we will keep namaskaram.
Ma'am, we will. Ma'am, first we have to dress ourselves.
No, that's okay. Suddenly you are good. You are dressed properly. Some visitors come. You say, "Hi, uncle. How are you? How are you doing?" Like that. Do you ask like that or not?
Are you fine?
Ma'am, we ask you, ma'am.
Yeah,
Please
you ask
welcome
like
and
that.
sit here.
Yeah, come on, have a seat. Something like that. You say. So his mother, what did he teach you? No, you have to bow before the visitors. Are you understanding? You have to bow. The dog should bow. So there was no help. However, I made my best to bow.
Ma'am,
There are so many kinds of.
right, ma'am?
Huh?
Even the visitor is also dog, right, ma'am?
Yeah, everything is dog. It's all the story is among these dogs. You see this picture. He must be the visitor, or he must be the mom or dad, same color. I'm not sure. So he must be Jelly and some of his siblings. And these are the pile of sacks on which he rolled down. It tumbled down.
Yes.
Okay, and all the dust. It's there in the air. Small dust particles. And see the dog sneezing.
Ma'am,
Everything is depicted in this picture. Okay.
ma'am,
Ma'am?
ma'am, where now you marked, ma'am, that first dog coming is a male, no, ma'am?
Yeah, I think so. Male only. Let me see.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
ma'am, I have a doubt about parents-teacher meeting, ma'am.
not right now, ma. Not during the class. Okay. So he made the best bow and hoping that husks were not too noticeable on my brown coat. What is a brown coat? This is the outer covering of the dog, and the dust particles will settle on the skin of the dog, isn't it? So what does this dog does? Dog do? It just shakes his body so that all the dust will get out of his body, isn't it? Will go out of the body. So he made that shake so that it noticeable. What is notice? I say I notice that you are all making a lot of noise. What do you mean by that? I observe.
Ma'am means seeing, ma'am.
See, observe, watch. So he removed all the dust. He tried to remove all the dust from his brown coat. That is the outer coat of the dog's skin by shaking. Okay. To my surprise, my mother only smiled. Was shocked. How come he put her in shame? And in turn, his mother was smiling. This is the one I told about you, she explained to our visitor. So she's introducing Jelly to the visitor. She says, I was talking about this particular dog. Let me see. The visitor pointed her long aristocratic nose in the air above my head and cocked one ear. What do you mean by aristocratic? Sit down. Belonging to noble or upper class. Who are aristocratic family? Have you ever heard?
No, ma'am.
People belonging to who are kings, prince, who own kingdoms. They form the most uppermost aristocratic family. That means who have very high status in the society. Who are very.
Ma'am, what is mean by aristocratic?
That is what I'm explaining. Aristocratic family means people who belong to very high status, very wealthy, and very, very famous. In the highly famous people, popular people, so that everybody knows who they are. So the visitor pointed her. Visitor is a, her means is a female dog. Her long aristocratic nose. See, when you feel proud and all that, you will be seeing like this, isn't it or not? With your head lifted. Yes. Yeah, you see like that. So he was pointing at the nose in the air above my head, above the Jaldi's head, and cocked one ear. So he tilted. It tilted. Cocked means tilted one ear. Masti came sliding. So Masti must be Jaldi's. Yes.
Sibling.
Yeah, exactly. So he is the Jaldi and Masti came later. Masti came sliding. So Masti also did the same thing. Came sliding down the sacks just then, and like me, was put to find himself in the company. Was put to find himself in the company means Masti came and he was totally surprised. How come there are so many? I mean, why mother, father, visitor, everybody is here. Our visitor nodded graciously at him and asked my mother if there were any more of us. So the visitor questioned their mother graciously. What do you mean by graciously? Very politely and very decently he asked, only two dogs or one more is there? I mean, he wanted to know the total count of the children they have. Are you understanding? Pranavi, where are you going, man? So he's saying only Masti and Jaldi, is anybody else is there. So Yogi, slow, come over, father called gruffly. So one more thing. Who is another third one? Yogi. So altogether how many? Only one. See, again you are doing the same thing. Yogi, 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 you are shouting. Only one answer is enough. Please understand my instructions. So Yogi, slow, come over, father called gruffily with a rough and deep voice. And soon Yogi shuffled in his rusk in his mouth. So what is rusk? The dogs eat rusk, some kind of food which dogs is. So he shuffled. That means he started shuffling inside the mouth with a rusk inside. And he placed the rusk politely within the reach of visitor's paws. So something he was eating. So he removed the whatever he was eating and he kept very near to the visitor's paws very politely. What is paw? What are dogs' paw?
Ma'am, leg.
Ma'am, leg.
Yeah, feet.
Thanks, ma'am.
Feet. So then we must let him sleep. Our visitor slowly slows asleep, he announced. So altogether 4. First is Jaldi, second is Masti, third Yogi, and slows asleep, he announced. So one more thing is slow. So altogether 4. Then we must let him sleep, our visitor says. So don't disturb. If slow is sleeping, let him sleep. Now children listen, and she cocked her ear alertly. See, cocking means what, you know? The dogs, when they become very alert, their eyes, their ears become erect. Have you ever observed?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Some animals, ma'am.
Keep their ears up, no, ma'am.
Yeah, and then
I have a rabbit, ma'am. Ma'am, if I keep something noise, ma'am, from some distance, ma'am, their ears will come up, ma'am. Rabbits.
yeah. So cocked means tilted ear. See this, cocked, tilted in a particular direction. The ears get slightly bent in a particular direction when dogs are very, very alert. You know what is alert? Attention. Okay.
Attentions.
So, and she cocked her ear alertly, her sensitive nose quivering in the air. So imagine one dog talking like a human being. Imagine. So when we talk, our mouth moves, our nose it inhales, it exhales, we make some bodily facial expressions and all. That same way, imagine a dog talking. Can you imagine? So she's giving some instructions. Okay, Aryan, what's happening? Are you listening or not?
I'm listening, ma'am.
Yeah. So tell me what you can hear, what you can smell. Now she started asking questions. See, why do you think so? When a visitor came to her place, you know, can you guess?
To give a gift.
No.
Ma'am, they want to test the dogs, they are good or not.
Yes. See, this the mother and father has given training to all these 4 dogs. Okay. So they wanted that visitor to test whether these dogs have come up to the expectations according to their age or not. Okay, parents give training. See how, like human beings, our parents take care of them. They teach us how to behave. They send us to school. They take care of us. They buy things. They tell us how to behave, good manners, how to lead life. Everything A to Z, they will be teaching us or not, till we become independent at least.
Yes, ma'am. They
Similar,
will.
yeah, in a similar way, even the dogs, they give training how to roam around in the on the roads, what to do, what not to do. Everything they'll give training. Do you know that?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
dogs,
They
how
will.
do you think so? How do you think so? The puppies, yeah, puppies learn by observing the parents. Okay, how to eat, how to get hold of the food, how to hunt for the food. These are all street dogs. See, these are not the domestic dogs. What are domestic dogs?
Means pets, ma'am.
Pets.
Which we grow, ma'am.
Pet dogs,
Which we can, like pets.
yeah, like pets. So pet dogs, we take care of them. But street dogs, the dogs which will be roaming on the road, they don't have anyone to take care of them. So for everything, they have to struggle and they have to work hard. So how to do all this? Their parent dogs will train them. Okay. So this visitor has come to test their training, how far they have learned from their parents. Tell me what you can hear and what you can smell. So what is the basic thing which a dog is expert in? Why do you think so during this
Smelling and
crimes and all?
Smelling and
Yeah,
hearing, ma'am.
listen to me. See, during these investigations and all criminal investigations, somebody makes some crime and all that, they get these dogs. Why do you think so?
Because they know the smell of
ma'am,
the
with
human.
the smell and
easily
they are
They know the smell of
identifying
human.
who it is really, ma'am.
Anyone do murder, but they take the street dogs, ma'am.
One at a time, please. Why everyone is shouting? I understand your anxiety to tell the answer, but what is the use? I cannot understand anything. Okay, so these frogs, you know, they have a tremendous, very, very tremendous sense of smell and hearing. Unlike human beings, I don't know the exact magnitude, but they have much, much more than any other person, any other animal or human being on this world. That is the reason they take dogs during the investigation process. Okay, so these were in which field they are given training right now. She's mother is asking right now at this moment what you can hear and what you can smell. To whom she is asking? Yogi, Masti, Masti,
Jelly.
and Jaldi.
Jelly.
Jaldi. Mother often played this game with us, but she was never so tense about it. So she keeps playing this game. What you can smell, what you can hear. So she can smell and she can hear. So she will be cross-checking with her kids. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So one
Yes,
every
ma'am.
day she gets training. Okay, she says she goes to a new place. She can hear somebody shouting far away. Okay, and she can sense some trash. Maybe there may be some nearby trash can or dustbin. She can smell something. So now she will test. She will ask Masti what you can sense and smell and hear. If Masti tells, I can smell some garbage smell and I can hear someone shouting very far away from here. So is Masti correct or not in the training process? Did he pass or fail?
Yes, ma'am.
Pass or fail?
Ma'am, fail, ma'am.
Why?
Fail,
Same thing.
why?
Fail,
Because
ma'am.
he just said
What?
Ma'am,
that
fail, ma'am,
somebody is
because-
shouting and I can hear a smell. So he have
Okay, see mother, and if mother and son or daughter tells the same, then Masti has passed. Okay, like that every day she used to do this testing process. But now also she is doing the same testing process, but she is very, very tensed. Why do you think so?
If he says wrong,
because the visitor should
Exactly, because she doing this process in front of the visitor. She don't want to face any disgrace in front of the visitor. Okay, if somebody is watching us, we feel tensed, isn't it? So if the visitor says, if the Masti says different thing and the mother says a different thing, the visitor will say, how come you have not given a proper training to your children? Will he tell or not? Then she'll feel ashamed of herself. So she's
Yes,
tensed
ma'am.
whether her kids are going to tell a correct answer or not. Because all the dogs have to sense and have to hear and smell the same thing or not. Same thing or not. Do you agree with me? 3, 4, 5, 6, altogether 6. 3 siblings and one yogi is slow is sleeping, and father, mother, and visitor. So how many dogs? 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Are you agreeing with me? 7 dogs at one
Ma'am,
place.
7 dogs.
Do you agree with me? All the 7 dogs should smell and hear the same at that moment. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then that means
Yes, ma'am.
obviously the elder dogs will feel the same because they are experienced. Whereas the question comes whether the kids can smell and hear the same thing or not. If kids also feel the same thing, then the training is perfect. Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
let's see who passed in the test and who failed in the test. Mother often played. Often means
Right there, ma'am.
no.
Also,
Huh? What do you mean by
Also.
often? Huh?
also, ma'am.
No, not often.
Ma'am,
telling
Ma'am,
them
sometimes.
Sometimes.
Not sometimes. Often. Opposite of sometimes.
ma'am, telling they're only sitting there only.
rarely.
Ma'am, always.
Always, all the time. Frequently. Correct meaning
Ma'am,
is frequently. Okay. So she often played this game and she was never tensed about it. But today she's extremely tensed because of the presence of visitor. The visitor seemed to think that it was important to answer the right. So visitor is waiting whether how they are going to answer to this question. I suspected it might be education. So what do you mean by suspect? He's thinking, Jaldi is thinking, this is a kind of education process. The parents are educating the sibling dogs, children dogs, isn't it? Pets,
Ma'am.
not pets. Siblings or children. So what kind of education they are giving? Shut your eyes, it helps, our visitor said kindly. See, if you want to concentrate on anything, we simply close our eyes for 1 or 2 seconds. Why do you think so we will do?
We will remember, ma'am,
No,
sometimes.
not the question of remembering. If our eyes are closed, our total concentration will be on ears and nose, isn't it? Our eyes closed and mouth silent. So where our concentration will go?
Ma'am, yes
Yes
and
and
no.
no.
Yes and no. So the mother has asked one question. The visitor gives an advice that please shut your eyes for a second so that you can correctly tell what's happening around. The visitor said, kindly shut your eyes, it helps. Mother watched expectantly. She's expecting the right answers from her kids. Father has gone outside the shed where he was pacing about impatient. So he doesn't want to face all these things. So father went outside the shed. What is shed? Shed is a kind of abandoned place. Okay, no, where no much of the population or people they don't visit. So where these dogs, street dogs lie, do you think so? Where do they stay?
In sheds, ma'am. Ma'am, in
Ma'am,
shed,
in
ma'am.
sheds only, ma'am.
Yes. And make a shed on the trees side of the trees.
Yeah, some nearby some trees or some broken houses or broken sheds, okay, where nobody stays and all that, they make that place home. So the father was pacing, he was roaming around here and there, whether my kids are going to pass this test or not, and very impatiently he's waiting outside. The frontier mail has entered the city, Masti said. The frontier mail means the mail van will be there, mail vans. This
Yes,
post
ma'am.
office vans, they have
And post office will
mail means post office where they transfer this gifts and letters, everything. Okay, that mail has come. The frontier mail has entered the city. Look at the sense of hearing. They are somewhere near the some abandoned or some faraway place in the near the city, and he is who is saying. Masti said, I can hear some vehicle voice, and that vehicle is not ordinary vehicle. He knew that it's a mail related vehicle, something post office related mail. Masti said, I can hear it. It's about 10 miles away from here. And he's also calculating the distance from here. Imagine. But it is true, It's really true. They can sense which are 10 miles away. I can hear the alarm go at the crossing as the gates shut. You have railway crossing? You know that? Where when when the train is going to come within 1 or 2 minutes, the
Then they will have roads.
what is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some poles like things, ma'am.
And
So that the normal traffic doesn't enter the tracks, and it makes a unique alarm sound, isn't it?
yes,
Yeah. So that sound. So frontier mail van sound he heard, and gates railway crossing near the gates, that also he is able to hear, and he is able to hear. I can hear a man with a bad leg. What do you mean by bad leg? If you have a broken leg and you use the crutches, So Ansai,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Some strip lines.
I'll show you how are crutches. I'll show you next class because there is only 1 minute left. So when we have amputated legs, if we get hurt in the accident, they will cut the half part of our leg, and whole life we have to use those crutches
ma'am,
with the
sticks,
support
ma'am.
of.
And they will keep even artificial legs also, right, ma'am?
Yeah, artificial legs also we can keep, but if you use crutches, that makes a sound, tuck, tuck, tuck sound they make whenever we walk, isn't it? Because it's made of wood, and sometimes made of wood or hard steel. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
that sound he is able to hear. Who is able to hear?
Masti.
See this.
Must
I can hear a
Ma'am,
man.
must be, ma'am.
That
Masti,
is-
ma'am.
Listen, Vaishnavi, please.
Just
siblings in the class. Please
Ma'am.
ask her to leave. So, a man, a bad leg, a man, he's guessing it may be a woman, but he knows a man.